Hey all, how are you? Hope you're doing well. The topic for the day is it's time for Bodhidharma. Right, before we get into the topic, thanks to all those who have subscribed to my channel. Big thanks to you and request to all those who haven't, please check out my videos and if you like them, subscribe and share. Right, let's get into the topic. It's time for Bodhidharma. We live in a crisis ridden world. Everybody would understand and agree with me. And especially the fear virus that has gripped us over the past few months and the poor economy. We definitely need a Bodhidharma to revive us from these things, the virus as well as the economy. Only for this? No, there are many more things that we need to have Bodhidharma here again. Yes, there is a requirement of Bodhidharma to recover us from the political goons. And especially for India, where the religious fanaticism is on the rise, we need Bodhidharma to save people from the cancer of caste system that has been prevailing over thousands of years now. We need Bodhidharma to protect us from the fake shows and the fake political newses that are deliberately created to spoil the minds of people. Yes, we need Bodhidharma for that. We need Bodhidharma to revive us from those unwarranted newses and unwarranted shows. We need a Bodhidharma to tell people to live their life till they live. It's very hard. People don't realize that they are not living. They are living, even if they are living in a illusionary world. So we need a Bodhidharma to revive people from the illusions. We need Bodhidharma to improve our belief system. Improve our belief system? Yes, we need to improve our belief system to believe in the right. We should not be uh, falling prey to false promises. For that, we need a Bodhidharma. We need a Bodhidharma to tell people to have a sane mind and distinguish good from the bad. I don't know. The good and bad are perspectives again, but the general society needs to have a better understanding of these things. For that, we need a Bodhidharma. We need a Bodhidharma to tell us what to do to revive our glorious past and the medical things that we have identified. Oh, I'm not definitely waiting for any vaccine. I believe in the self healing system. I believe in the traditional wisdom of medicine that has been indigenously developed in this part of the world. So, we definitely need a Bodhidharma to revive that to save us from the fear viruses. We need Bodhidharma to save us from the IPL fever. The whole country is locked down or the business is not doing well, but these people can happily go to the Middle East and start playing cricket, and there are the betting, other unwarranted things, all the evil things that happen along with that, and still people don't bother. Still they are addicted to the scores even when they don't have food to eat. So to make people sane, we need Bodhidharmas here. We need Bodhidharma to save people from the illusions. For example, people having fear of dinosaurs when they don't even live, and the admiration for them even when they don't even exist and there are no facts for their existence. This kind of insane things must go. For that, we need Bodhidharma. So it's definitely a time for Bodhidharma. Please come and save us from the insane world and make the world a better place to live. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, subscribe and share it with all your contacts. Hope to see you with some similar content in the future. Till then, it's Art signing off. Bye bye.